Hello, in this video I'm going to show you camera tips and tricks for the Huawei P60 Pro. Okay, so first of all, let's start from the photo mode, and right here we can find the zoom feature. So as you can see, we can simply switch between the ultra wide lens, telephoto lens, and this another lens. And to get more presets, you have to click and hold on already selected, and you will unlock this great slider where you can zoom in and zoom out very smooth. You can also adjust brightness level by tapping on the screen once and then move the sun icon up and down. So we can decrease or increase manually camera brightness level. You can also adjust this brightness automatically by tapping on the screen once. When you click on the buttons, the volume up or down, take a look, we can take photos. When you click and hold one of this button, you are going to take series of the photos. When you try to do the same with the shutter, as you can see, it also works the same. So we are taking the series of the photo, but right now it's for some reason it just turns to the 10x zoom, and also it was a little bit laggy. When you tap right here, we can find, as you can see, some kind of the filters, and also right here we can find other options, like we can change the aspect ratio, we can also enable the flashlight. Here we can add other filters. They will change color and the temperature on the photo. Just take a look. We can also enable the grid lines, and they appear right now on the screen, and they help us to take better composition on the photos. Okay, let's close this menu, and then let's smoothly move to the settings where we can find other useful options. Like for example, we can enable the audio control, and with this option we are able to take photos by using keyword or speak loudly. Let's test, for example, the second option. Take photo. And as you can see, it's working. We are also able to capture smiles automatically, and here we can find very useful options in the video settings where we can change the video resolution, for example the 4K, to get better quality of the videos, and also we can switch the 60 frames per second to get also better quality of the photos. We can also enable the horizontal level and enable camera timer between 2, 5 or 10 seconds. Take a look. And there's also the horizontal level right here. When you go back to the settings, we can find other useful options, like for example we can add the floating shutter button or take the snapshot by using double press volume down button gesture. Let's switch to take snapshot. So first we get this floating button, as you can see, so we don't have to use this one. It's useful, for example, when you cannot reach the bottom shutter, so you can use this one. And let's lock the screen and take a look right now. I'm gonna press volume down quickly twice, and our phone is going to take photo. So that's very useful, for example, when you are outside and you want to quickly capture the photo. Even when your phone is locked, you can just simply double tap on the volume down button and the photo will be taken. And that's, by the way, the quality of this photo. It looks very good. The next tip will be about taking the photos with the more details. So let me show you how it works. Here we can find the high resolution mode, and thanks to this mode we are able to get more details on the photos. So let me show you how it works. Catch focus and take the photo and hold your phone steady. Next I'm gonna do the same, but with the standard photo mode. And let's take a look for the comparison. So this photo was taken with the normal mode and it looks like that. It's sharp, we can spot some details, as you can see, but when you switch to the 48 megapixel mode, as you can see right here, we can find a little bit more details. For example, when you take a look right here on this arena, and we are also able to zoom in closer. When you go to the more modes for another time, we can find other useful options, like for example, we can use dual view. So as you can see right now, we are able to record videos by using two cameras at the same time. So the front camera and the rear camera. When you stop recording, you are also able to change theme of these cameras. So we can get, for example, the picture in the picture. When you go to the multicam, as you can see, we can also quickly switch between these cameras, because on this phone you can find 3 different cameras, 1, 2 and 3. So normally you can adjust the zoom, but here you can just pick any camera lens that you want and capture the photo with this lens. We can also find the story creator, and this mode looks a little bit close to the Xiaomi mode. So here you can find automatic transitions, music, some kind of the effects. We can pick any of it. Right here we can find 4 parts, and here we can also find 4 parts, right? And it takes 13 seconds. Okay, let's try this one. So let's try to capture some videos. As you can see, that's this automatic effect, and we have to capture another one, so we have to switch for this one. Let's try to catch our gamepad of the Xbox. Next we can, for example, take a look for our Sennheiser Momentum earbuds. I just move it a little bit out of the camera, so sorry for that. And at the end we can take a look for the Jabra headphones. And right now our phone is going to create this clip, so we have to accept all of these permissions and take a look how it looks right now. And as you can see, it looks really nice. You can save by tapping on the right upper corner, and of course it will look definitely better when you are, for example, outside and you have some cool objects around you to capture, like for example some kind of the nature or some kind of the, you know, like bus, trains or stuff like that, like on the preview. So finally this video looks like that. We can watch it one more time. So yeah, as you can see, that's all for the Huawei P60 Pro. That's all my camera tips and tricks for this device. So hope you like it.